Hi, I'm Kara with DoMyOwn.com. Are you just starting out doing your own pest control treatments? Let's go over some pest control equipment and essentials that you can find at DoMyOwn.com. First off, you're going to need a hand pump sprayer. This is your everyday tool for applying liquid insecticides both indoors and around the exterior foundation. It's also perfect for spot treatments and general applications. For larger outdoor jobs, you may want to consider looking at a backpack sprayer. These hold more product so you can easily cover lawns, perimeters, or big areas efficiently. A hand duster is another must-have. This tool lets you apply dust into cracks, wall voids, or under appliances in those tight spaces that liquid sprays can't reach. Always use personal protective equipment like gloves, wearing long sleeves, socks, and closed-toed shoes, and a mask when needed. Safety first. And you're always going to want to follow the product label for exact recommendations for your application. Insect monitors, such as glue boards, are going to help track insect activity and confirm treatment success. For roach and ant problems, bait plungers and tips are going to allow you to apply gel baits directly into tight cracks, crevices, and other spaces where roaches hide, ensuring the product goes exactly where they travel. For larger or repeated treatments, a bait gun offers more control and less hand fatigue, delivering consistent amounts of bait quickly and cleanly. Another great tool when baiting is to use bait plate stations that allow you to offer both granular and liquid gel baits at the same time. Alright, so those of you that have a lawn or a garden, pick up a granule spreader for lawn and garden pest control applications. It helps distribute insecticide or bait granules evenly across large areas. There are two types, drop and broadcast spreaders. Make sure to check the product labels of anything that you're interested in using to see exactly which spreader type is going to be best for your needs before purchasing. For rodent problems, you'll need bait stations, traps, and bait station keys. These stations keep bait secure and protect children, pets, and non-target animals from accessing the bait. Rodent bait stations are also going to help keep bait protected from weather for long-term bait freshness. With rodents, you also want to make sure that you're investing in exclusion materials like copper mesh and steel wool so you can fill any gaps, cracks, or entry points where rodents can enter the home. You can find professional grade pest control and lawn care products, expert guidance, and everything you need to DIY like a pro at DoMyOwn.com. Thanks for watching.